Ma, I think you need more pins. I don't think you have enough pins.
Use this camera to start vlogging.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's still got the film in it.
Oh my gosh. We found a fossil.
Woohoo! Selfie!
I love it. Oh, pizza. Sweet.
Good morning. We are already in the car. We just got done picking up our house and getting it ready. Yesterday we put it on the market, put it up for sale, to be making the next steps in our life journey with the Lord. We are going to Jima's house, aka his mom's, and we are going to help her get her office back in order so that she can use it again. Right now it's just a clutter mess, and then after that we're gonna pick up the boys and go home and
Okay, so we just got to my mom's house and we are going to pull the stuff out of the room first, and then we will sweep up a little bit, get a lot of the stuff out so we have working space, and then we'll go ahead and let Kim do her magic with all the organizing and stuff. So let's go see what we can get into.
chair out with you. You know that your office is full. When you say forget it, just put it right on the chair that I gotta sit on to do. Just tilt, not, okay, so it is connected, so I just need it to come. Okay, now we gotta get the plug. Oh my gosh, don't you just wanna come in here and sit down and do work already? Feels so much better.
Well, how's it working there?
Because it wasn't plugged in.
That's why I made sure it worked.
Oh, okay.
Do you want the light?
Yeah.
Okay. You can't talk your way out of this time, Sammy.
No, he said I'm gonna have to come in here and boss hog you. I said, you're gonna have to get your mama. It's your mama.
Yeah. So you better listen to Kimberly.
Nuh-uh. That's not what we just agreed on. That is not what we agreed on in the car.
I need to get an address.
Where's the broom?
Room?
It came out the shed. We are about to get the filing cabinet moved in and start putting stuff in it. And we got these fabulous shelves right here cleaned off so we can put stuff on it. And we're getting there. Getting
This is the
done.
filing cabinet.
We have empty drawers, ladies and gentlemen. Not one, but basically two, because these are all pads. And this is still organized from the last time I came here and organized.
So, can you just tell everyone why you're wearing a coat inside?
Because my mother-in-law keeps it 70 degrees in here, and although I'm working, I'm quite chilly, but I was just debating on taking it off. But it's a little cold in here. Just kidding. I need the trash taken out, the chair put in Brian's pile, and the Christmas tree brought to the shed. Thanks. We are getting the piles down. This is Christmas piles, but we are down to this small bucket, toys, and just a little pile right here.
Whatever your name is. Grant.
Just this way. Right here is the finished, beautiful office. Say hi, Roxy. These containers right there. This down here is work. The office that she worked at for ever, probably like 30 years, just closed down, so she has that to go through. And this on top is some paperwork that she still has. But besides that, everything is pretty much good to go. Play area for the kids, Roxy's water, and let me step back some so that you can see the closet area. And then back to the door.
Thanks for
Wait,
hanging.
hold on. Now say it.
Thanks for hanging us today.